Hi, welcome back to my new YouTube video. Let's see the mystical beauty of the villages in Telangana. Like to remind those who are seeing this video, those who are already subscribed, keep watching on my video, subscribe, support. And those who are first time seeing this video, like, share. Your comments are always supportive for me. Of course, those who have realized this video, the spot and location, you can comment your liked places over here and where you belongs. That also you can comment in our comment box. These are the pretty cool places in Telangana. You can see the spot locations over in this hilltop in Bharampur. From this Bharampur temple, we can focus the entire beauty of different villages like Ruyadi, Sunkidi, pedapochamma, Tamsi, and so on. The time that I had visited this spot is at winter time, so obviously the mystical beauty of the nature I have witnessed over here. The religious harmony of the villagers as well as the traditional lifestyle remembers me Mahatma Gandhi's famous quote, "The beauty of India lies in villages." Localites and migrants of different states used to visit this famous spot. The Venkateswara Swami temple in Bharampur shows the architectural beauty of Hindu mythology. I felt very difficult to manage and capture the entire beauty of this temple, especially in this hilltop. In this winter time, climate is obviously cool and quiet and calm and peace. One of the nearest city is Adilabad. This Adilabad itself famous for cotton cultivation. Yes, in this winter time, all the villages are used to cultivate cotton. October last onwards, they will start cultivate cotton plants. By the end of December, January month, this season will be end up here. A city which is famous for white gold, that is Adilabad. Here, white gold refers to white cotton. These fields are like a cyclic process. Each season, each cultivation. The reaping and sowing time of the cotton plant is very impressive and interesting. It used to give buds. When the yielding time, this cotton bud will be projected outside. Different cotton factories are over there in Telangana. Obviously, in the off season time, these factories bulkily give this collected cotton to the different cotton mills for making cotton dresses. There is a time for Telangana, almost a huge profit they will get by the business of cotton. Yes, I am not encouraging in this field for everyone. Obviously, the cultivators as well as farmers are getting everywhere in every cultivation a low profit only. The entire profit only will get for the factories and the processing unit. The cultivators as well as farmers used to keep the collected cottons almost 8 to 10 hours in a day. After that, when it dried fully, they will give it to the factories as well as to the processing unit. So this is all about the white gold, that is cotton. Famous city is Adilabad. Now let's know the nearby another famous place that is famous for Kuntala waterfall from Adilabad. Almost 150 kilometers are there near to the Nirmal bus. If we are hiring, we can reach at Kuntala waterfall, one of the longest waterfall in Telangana. Kuntala waterfall is situated in Neradigonda. From Neradigonda, I have hired an auto that leads to Kuntala waterfall. From Neradigonda, almost 5 kilometers inside, we have to move. When I traveled in, it was an outstanding beauty of the countryside I have witnessed. It was a shooting location even. One of the pan-Indian movie, Bahubali, the song sequence even shoot in this location, Kundala. If it was a rainy season, obviously it was a dangerous spot itself. Many of them died in that waterfall. From the bottle we took ticket and we entered, stepping almost 2 kilometers inside we have to move. I have arrived almost nearby 10 o'clock itself. The spot was opened only. Anyway, I have seen a silent picture of the woods. The woods leads to waterfall. The portal having different signatures and signs, do's and don't. I have kept an eye on it. The forest department itself, the authority over this waterfall. Kawal Tiger Reserve Forest. The way leads to Nirmal as well as Lakshadweep. The hundreds of steps that lead to Kundala waterfall is another experience that should be experienced itself. I have noticed for the maintenance of this off time even work is over there. We can see different types of rocks, sediments in this area. I had arrived here on the month of January, so I can see water as well as rocks over there. But if it was in the month of July, August, we can't see any of these rocks over here. It is like a water bomb itself. I was so excited. Climbing down was not a Hercules task for me, but after that, when I returns, it was a Hercules task itself. The woods in the both side invited me warmly with a cool breeze. The tickling sound of the water was the next. In the off season, this is like a small brook or a stream. I was so excited to capture all these videos. My next aim to go deeply near to the water itself. Then only I can witness and experience the entire beauty of this waterfall. Few more steps. Before that, a shelter I have noticed. Those who tired can sit here and make a viewpoint over there. The mythical beauty of this place remembers me the poems of Robert Frost. For the couples, it is a nice spot for spending their time. The sole animal of the woods always monkeys only. I have noticed they also welcomed me. When I climbed up only, I have experienced the intensity of the steps. Why that shelter has kept there. everything I have understood. The tickling sound of the river that forcefully keeping and tapping to the rock. After reaching here, I have explored the entire beauty of this Kuntala waterfall. Why I have jumped down so fast? Why I have took this much of energy? Now only I have understood that. I experienced one more difficulty while shooting this video. This camera was not enough for me for seeing the beauty of this nature, waterfall, river, rocks, etc. I became so proud that we have so much of such locations for seeing the beauty of nature. The inexplicable factors of this Kuntala waterfall. Always a haunting location for the visitors as well as the tourists. When the natural water calls me, I felt to wash my feet in this location. In simply, this waterfall is huge and verbose. I can imagine when the time of August and September month or the rainy time, what may be the condition. From this location only I have understood another factor that more than 50 feet I have climbed down to reach the down of this waterfall. This video I am winding up with full satisfaction and happy. For more interesting videos, you can subscribe this channel, like, share and comment. Thank you for your support. It's me signing out. Bye bye.